Lauren.
And I'm Callie.
And today we're learning about oil spills and all of the different ways that we can try to clean up these oil spills, as well as why they're really harmful to our marine ecosystems. So our oceans are full of a really diverse community of organisms and species that contribute to the biodiversity that we see on our planet. An oil spill occurs when something malfunctions, whether that's the equipment or the workers, and the oil is spilled into the ocean. So because of the density of oil, it sits on top of the water and it is harmful to most everything that lives in the ocean. So today we are going to model that. So for this experiment, the materials you're going to need are a large, shallow plastic bin full of water. You're also going to need some small and medium-sized rocks, some oil of some sort, leaves and sticks, something that resembles life. So here I have plastic toys and shells, as well as cleaning equipment. So we have string, sponges, paper towels, cotton balls or cotton pads, dish soap, and a spoon. But always remember, safety first. Alrighty, so to begin, we're gonna go ahead and assemble an island in the middle of our plastic tub. Alright, now that we have our island built, we're going to go ahead and add some living things. So for example, we can add some shells, some marine organisms, plastic toys. We can also add leaves and sticks to our ecosystem. And put everything that we collected into our ecosystem, but go ahead and use whatever you have. If you don't have plastic sea creatures, that's okay. You can substitute with anything that you can find. Okay, now it's time for the oil spill. So go ahead and use some sort of oil and pour it all over the ecosystem. So now we're going to try to clean up this oil spill. So we're going to go ahead and start by using the string. So as you're trying to use this string, there's different ways you can try to do it. Maybe try entrapping the oil, maybe make a circle and see if you can keep the oil away from any living creatures. Or just think about what they might be doing in the real ocean to try to keep this oil from hurting anything that's living in the ocean. Alright, Callie, so did the string work?
No, the string was not able to pick up any of the oil from the ocean.
We were hoping that the string would be able to block the oil from spreading any further or to keep it from getting to our living things, but it wasn't very effective. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and see if a sponge can pick up the oil. Callie, what do you think? Did the sponge pick up the oil?
The sponge kind of worked. I mean, it picked up some of the oil and moved it around, but it would take a ginormous sponge and a lot of money to clean up all of the oil in the ocean.
Next, we're going to try to use a paper towel to clean up the oil.
Lauren, did the paper towels work to clean up the oil?
The paper towels kind of worked, but it's really messy and it kind of just spread the oil and it picked up water in the paper towel as well. So that means we're going to need to use a lot of paper towels to clean up an ocean. Alright, next we are going to be using some cotton balls or cotton pads and see if those will clean up our oil spill. Callie, what do you think? Was the cotton ball effective at picking up the oil?
So far, the cotton balls were the most effective at cleaning up the oil, but still it would take so long and a lot of cotton balls to get all the oil out of the ocean.
Okay, this time we're gonna try a spoon to clean up our oil spill.
So what do you think, Lauren? Did the spoon work?
It kind of worked, but it got a lot of water in the spoon as well, and I don't really know what this would even look like out in the middle of the ocean. Could you get a crane out there?
I don't know.
So lastly, we are gonna try to save our living things by using some dish soap to see if we can get the oil off of them. So here you can see I have an orca whale, and we're gonna try to get the oil off of him using some dish soap. So we went ahead and poured it right on him, and we're gonna try to clean him off with the soap.
So far it looks like the soap is cleaning off the creatures, but I don't know how this would work in the real ocean. Would we have to clean off each individual creature?
I think we would. So now we've tried all of our different types of cleaning equipment, and we found some of them to be effective. It would just take so much time, so much equipment. It would be really expensive to use those in an ocean that's much bigger than our plastic tub here. So Callie, why do you think it's important to clean up an ocean oil spill?
I think it's important to clean up an ocean oil spill because we need to protect our ocean life and do our best to keep our planet clean.
Such a good answer, Callie.
So what do you guys think? Do you have any ideas on how to clean up oil spills? Let's think about it.